Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. The summer is almost upon us, the strawberries are getting nice and sweet. So we thought we're going to show you a super delicious recipe for a strawberry snack. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are strawberries, as many as you like, 100 grams of cream cheese, about 40 grams of granulated sugar, about 2 teaspoons of the liquor of your choice. We chose some orange flavored liquor. If you want, you can also use amaretto, maybe vodka, who knows? Let's do this. So first, take a bowl and put your cream cheese in there. Now take a mixer and mix the cream cheese up. Now it's a bit more fluffy. At this point you can add the sugar and mix it up again. To help the sugar dissolve, we're going to add the liquor and mix it up again. There you go. A quick taste. It's perfect. We can move on to the next step. So, if you have a piping bag at home, use that, but I'm just going to make my own out of a zip bag. Open the zip bag, turn the edges inside out and scoop the mixture in there. While the zip bag is open, push everything to one side. You can close the zip bag if you want, but I'm not going to do that because there's not that much in there. Twist it around so that there is a bit tension on there. Cut off a small piece of the tip. And there you go, your zip bag is done. Put it aside and let's cut up the strawberries. Remove the tip. You can also remove that hard bit if you want. And now you can just pretty much cut them up the way you like. You can just cut it in two and then fill it up with cream and put it on top. Or you can cut them in four and then just pinch apart gently so that they stay open like that. Or you can cut it out like that. And then just take it out and fill it up and put it on top. This is the way the Tess likes. Let's just fill them up with some cream. You can use as much as you like. And there you go. And just repeat the process until all of your cream is used or you run out of strawberries.
Time for test. Cheers. This is so delicious because you've got the real sweetness of the strawberries, which are also a tiny little bit sour, and then you got the saltiness of the cream cheese, which is just a perfect combination and so delicious. I could eat like hundreds of these. I actually prefer this better than with whipped cream because I like the contrast of the saltiness with the sweetness, and whipped cream can often be maybe too sweet. So I really like this, and next time I'm craving strawberries with cream, I'm gonna choose cream cheese instead of whipped cream. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this little easy recipe, feel free to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell if you want to keep getting updates of our new videos. So, thanks again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.